Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, you will learn how to fix controller or gamepad not working in Battlefield 6. So here follow the steps. First, update the controller drivers. Connect your controller to PC, right click on Windows icon and select Device Manager. Expand Human Interface Devices. Right click on your controller. It should be game controller or HID compliant game controller and select update driver. Then click on search automatically for updated driver software option and allow Windows to install the latest driver. Then restart your PC after the update. And second solution is to press the Alt plus Enter keys. Try pressing the Alt plus Enter keys on your keyboard. This simple trick can sometimes help to fix the issues. Now check if the controller is working in Battlefield 6 or not. Third solution is to enable disable Steam input for Steam user. So what you have to do, first close the game and Steam from task manager. So right click on system tray and select task manager, and if Battlefield 6 game is running, then right click on it and select end task. Right click on Steam client web helper and select end task. So after closing the game and Steam, now relaunch Steam. Go to library, right click on Battlefield 6 game and select properties. Go to controller tab. Now override for Battlefield 6. Next to it, select the drop down and from here select enable Steam input, close it and then launch the game and check your controller is working or not. If not, then follow the same process again. Go to properties, go to controller tab and this time select disable Steam input, close the tab and then launch the game and check controller is working or not. Fourth solution is to disable third-party game controllers and unplug additional peripherals. Other software in your PC like third-party game controllers or any plug peripherals such as phone, camera, USB devices, pen drive, mouse, keyboard or additional controllers might conflict with the game. So remove such peripherals and then launch the game and check if it fixes the problem or not. Fifth solution is to check if controller is properly connected. So check and make sure that your controller is connected properly to your PC. Wireless controller, check if it is paired correctly. If you are using wired controller, then try plugging it into different ports. You can also test your controller on different systems to identify the issue. Sixth solution is to verify integrity of game files. To do so, open Steam, go to library, right click on Battlefield 6, select properties, go to install file tabs, click on verify integrity of game files, and after the verification of the files, you can launch the game and check controller is working or not. Seventh solution is to enable Steam input for generic controllers. To do so, open Steam, click on the word Steam on the top left, then click settings, go to controller tab. Now enable Steam input for generic controllers, close it, then launch the game and check controller is working or not. Eighth solution is to use a wired controller. This is an alternative solution. It could be possible that the game might have some bug or glitches at present and your wireless controller is not working. So if you have wired controller, then connect it and play the game as of now. Ninth solution is to update Windows. To do so, click on Windows icon, go to settings. On the left, click on Windows Update. Then click on check for updates and download and install any updates available here and then launch the game and check. So by this way, you can fix controller or gamepad not working in Battlefield 6 on PC. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.